point it out to you. Love with Brandon. It's finally here, guys. A new show. Love with Brandon. LWE. I'm here today on my own broadcast show. As I was saying, welcome back to my show. Oh, the lights are blinking. Oh. Okay, lights out. Okay, as I was saying, I'm back from the old Pa and TT show. TT has opened up a new show called, with her new show, TT Rock, and it's coming out soon. Okay, as I was saying earlier, this is Love with Brandon. And this right here is a 1 minute and 30-second show. Today on the show, I'm going to show you an electric dartboard. Here it is, an electric dartboard. Whenever you throw it, it hits the target, locks in, and it tells you your score down here, whatever you made. That's the electric dartboard. See you guys next time on Love with Brandon.